Hi, I'm Michael.
And hi, I'm Dale.
Welcome to Spottedmotors.
Well, where are you, Michael?
Well, we're at Bill Inghams.
You're probably hearing us saying that quite a lot lately, but this is a fantastic place for us to be. It's where Michael works and it's where I hang out an awful lot. There's a fantastic arrangement of cars here, and if you haven't seen the previous couple of videos, get over there, get in the back catalogue and have a little watch. But today, what are we having a look at, Michael?
We're having a look at this Chevy Camaro, 1983, third generation, Berlin edition.
Yeah, I didn't know about that.
A real cool car. It's a 2.8 V6.
Yeah.
Totally original as far as I can see. Yeah. Another real cool car.
Yeah. And we've got a theory why we think that this is an absolute bargain in the classic car market.
Oh, yeah, like we discussed before. You look at Ford Capris, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Look at what they're going for. This is a fraction of the price of what you pay for a Ford Capri.
Exactly that. And okay, it's not the sort of 5 litre or the 5.7 V8 muscle car that everyone's going to sort of point and sort of, is that one of them? What would you pay for a Capri, like Michael just said there, in this condition?
You'd be 15 grand plus.
Exactly that. You know. So there's nothing wrong with this engine. It is absolutely a gem of an engine as well.
Sounds good. It'll go well.
Yeah.
It'll go well. And like I say, drive past anyone in this.
Yeah. No one cares.
No one cares, no.
They just think, who's that cool man in that car, or who's that cool girl in that car? Yeah, we love it. We're absolutely sold on it, aren't we?
Totally,
so what we'll do, we'll have a quick whip round of it and show you exactly what a third gen V6 Camaro looks like.
Let's have a look then.
So Michael, what I really like about this as well, that it's untouched, it's original, and it hasn't got no like different wheels on it. It's exactly how it come out the factory.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? I mean, it's got the gold black trim.
Yeah.
The gold wheels with the little white.
Yeah, the little white
tires.
And that goes well with the body colour, doesn't it, as well?
And look how clean it is.
Yeah, it is proper cool.
I mean, we got this in, and there was a small market who've had it repaired.
Yeah,
you know.
was that on this quarter, was it?
There was a little, it looked like it'd been keyed, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
been repaired.
Nice job.
And there was a small dent on the front wing, which has been repaired. But other than that, this is how the car come in.
Yeah. What I like about it as well, it's obviously it's a standard one, but it hasn't got the sort of the speed parts of like the other ones have got. So it hasn't got the rear wing on it.
Yeah.
It hasn't got the sort of like cushioned skirts on it and stuff like that. It's really nice, basic, like American classic car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, I sat in 80s luxury. I mean, this is really nice interior, isn't it?
Look how clean it is.
Yeah.
Velour seats.
It is velour, Michael. I tell you what. And it's quite well spec'd as well, isn't it?
It is. I mean, it's got, like I say, it's got everything. Everything works on it.
Yeah.
It's totally original. Nothing's been hacked out the dash. No,
there's no like screw holes and stuff like that, is there? It's a proper nice place to be. Yeah. And the clocks are funny on these, and I don't know if you pick it up on the camera, but the
lights. Annoying noise.
That's an annoying noise, isn't it? But if you can look up there, Michael's going to turn it back off.
So this is miles per hour.
Yeah.
But it's also got kilometres an hour on this side.
Yeah.
So it tells you both miles per hour, kilometres an hour.
So maybe Chevrolet knew it was going to get imported.
Who knows?
Yeah, I love this. I'm going to hop out a second just to show this velour, because oh my god, Michael.
See the back like bucket sort of.
Yeah. You wouldn't mind sitting in the back of there. Well, unless you've got very shy legs, but it's mint, isn't it?
It is
absolutely mint, and it needs nothing.
Absolutely nothing. You jump in this car, well, MOT it, jump in it, and drive away.
Just go cruise. Let's open the bonnet, Michael. Let's have a look at that V6. There she is. That's took quite far back, that, isn't it?
It does look a bit lost in there, doesn't
it?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even like to guess what the power is.
Honestly.
We should have googled that, mate, before we started. It's got to be around. I'm going to guess, right, and then Google it. It's got to be. You have a guess, and I'll have a guess.
Oh, don't do this.
I think it's going to be 120.
Do you really 120?
Yeah. What do you think?
I was going to go a bit higher.
Oh, go on. Go on.
I was going to go 140ish.
Right.
But I'm probably way off there.
Right, I'll pause this and we'll have a look. Chuckling. You're still chuckling, and it's been going on a couple of minutes now.
I'm way off.
So am I. Google says it's a LC1, 102. brake horsepower. So let's turn this off. Anyway, moving on. That's all you need, isn't it? You don't need brake horsepower to look cool, especially when you're driving around in this. Give it a fire up anyway. Let's convince everyone that you don't.
Oh yeah. The sound should change everyone's.
Yeah, this will change everyone's opinion on 102 horsepower. That is silky smooth. Nice. Silky smooth, that, mate.
Isn't it?
Absolutely love it. What's not to like? I can't find fault with it.
Oh, it's fun.
Third gen Camaro at its very best. I absolutely love it. I think it's fantastic.
The best thing about this is the way it is.
How clean it is, yeah.
Clean it is, how factory, how
Unmodified and stuff like that, yeah. Yeah, you could buy this car and just wash and polish it and just take it to the shows and just enjoy it.
So it's 1983, so it's...
Oh, Michael.
30...
Bloody hell, yeah,
37. 37 year old, this car.
Yeah. And it's looking pretty damn good. It looks better than us, and we're 86s. Do you know what, Michael? The more time I spend on this car, the more I really like it.
It is, isn't it?
I'm a classic car guy, and I think I'd have this. I really do. I really like it. I just like the simplicity of it, and just how clean it is.
Yeah, that's what's going to sell this car.
Yeah.
The originality of how clean it is. It's mint.
Yeah, it is mint. Absolutely mint. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed a quick walk around Chevy Camaro 3rd Gen. This is just one of the cars, one of the many cars that's for sale at the moment at Bill Inghams.
So if you like what you see, head over to Bill Inghams' Facebook page, speak to Neil.
Yeah.
And
just have a look, we've got it up there as well.
And if you do, like I said, there's loads more here, we'll get more videos out there.
Yeah.
If you're interested in importing any American vehicle like that, get in touch.
Yeah.
We might be able to help out.
That is an awesome idea, mate, yeah. So, like I say, get in touch. Bill Inghams' Facebook page, and while we're unplugging stuff, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we can show you everything that's in here, along with our own sort of pride and joys as well.
Yeah, which we're well on.
Yeah, oh yeah, things are going really well in that way. So that's just news to say. As always, thank you very much for watching.
We've been Spottedmotors.
I mean, I bet not many YouTubers film off a wheelie bin.
I do exactly the same when I'm in the garage. It takes me longer to set my wheelie bin up than it does.
Actually, do we always stand the same side?
I don't know. No.
Are you comfortable there?
I'm alright.
Yeah.